With Analytics Designer, report designers can create interactive applications and actionable business reports and dashboards that leverage data from the Magellan suite of products, and then share these information assets with other users by publishing them to Magellan BI and Reporting. Before you create a report, you need to organize all report files in a project. You can create a new project or use an existing project. I'll show you how to create a new project. I'm creating a project that uses the BERT project wizard and the default project type, blank project. You can see the new project in the Project Navigator tab. The next step is to add a report to the project. Give your report a name that corresponds to the data it's using. I want to start with a blank report, and the blank report template is the default selection. The new report design opens in the editor, and the report design file is added to a folder in your project called Report Designs. And that's how you create a project and report design file. The next step in creating a report is connecting the report design file to some data. For more information about Magellan Analytics Designer, check out the other videos in this series.